It is colder than a polar bear's willy in here. Honest to God, I should have put my heater on. Hello everybody and welcome to my Film It Friday / crochet vlog. If you want to see what I've been up to this week, then keep watching. Hello everybody, I hope you're all okay, and hello and welcome if you are new to this channel. My name is Alexandra and I am one of the admin on Crochet Beginners group, which now has over 100,000 members, which is mental. So I'll leave the link to the group down below if you want to check it out. If not, you don't have to, but hello and welcome. So, what have I done this week apart from I had a meltdown last night? I've not really done that much crochet because I have been so busy with uni. So I finished placement last week and I started back at uni this week. As per usual, Alexandra leaves things to the last minute because I am a last minute Lucy and I can't work. You know, all these organised people that have like months and months to do assignments, that ain't me. I do it kind of the day before and that's how it works for me. Tuesday. Monday I went to work. Tuesday I had manual handling and BLS, which is basic life support, and I didn't realise that we had to do these tests before and print them out and hand them in. Oh my god, I had to get up at like 5:30 on Tuesday morning to do them. One of them, and then I didn't do enough. I didn't do the paediatric one because I didn't think we needed to do it. So me and Claire, one of my friends, was sat in like the access room at uni, like trying to bang this test out in like half an hour over our lunchtime, which was quite funny. Yeah, so I've been really busy doing that. I am crochet wise, I have done a bit of this. I'm gonna have to bite. Now the whole thing about this, what have I done there? You are joking me. I've just noticed I've got an extra thing. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to pull it back again. I pulled this back so many times. So, start again. I have, not last year, we're in 2019. 2017, I went to Florida on holiday and I bought a load of yarn. So this is Peaches and Cream Daisy Ombre. You can still get it. And I had 4 balls of this, so I'm trying to use up my stash because it is just out of control. So please just ignore that bit there. But I'm gonna have to get some more because I've used this is the 4th ball and it's not big enough. So it's a baby blanket. That's totally thrown me. I can't believe I've done that. Such an idiot. So I've made the pattern up myself. I did try to find a suitable pattern, but I just couldn't do it. So it looks like I'm pulling this back now, doesn't it? Oh God. See, the life of a crocheter involves frogging a lot. So that is all the crochet that I've done really. And I haven't really got anything else to say. Exciting news on our book club. If you're not part of our book club, go and check it out. I will leave the link down below, so Crochet Beginners Book Club. I posted up the 4 books for this month and one of them is by the author Claire Allen, and Claire has really kindly said that she will do a Q&A for us, which is amazing, about the inspiration behind her book. And she's written Her Name Was Rose, or is Rose, Her Name is Rose, Her Name Was Rose, was I think, which I've read, which I absolutely loved. It's just like a nice, my cat's coming down the garden. I think he's chasing something, honestly he's so bad. Where was I? Yes, which is really good. So Apple of My Eye is her new book. So that is on our list for February. And she's going to do a Q&A with us, which is lovely, lovely, lovely. So yeah, that is it. It's a really quick Film It Friday. So I've got a presentation to do on Monday. So I am not going to put New Stitch Sunday up. But next week, I'm going to start back to normal. So, but what I might put a New Stitch Sunday up. I might do the basic things that you need for crochet, because I have got a video for that, but it's really, really old and really rubbish. So I might start a new, like, how to crochet, the basic tools that you need, yeah, I might do that. Just something easy, you know, because we've had loads of new people like join the group, so that's what I think I'm going to do. I'm also planning on my little bedroom, and I don't know if anybody else is like this, is just a bloody dumping ground, and it's doing my head in. So every time I tidy it up, it just turns into a dumping ground. So I'm going to give it a makeover. I filmed what it looks like now. It is an absolute tip, and I do apologise, but if I put it on the internet, I'm shaming myself into doing something about it. So this afternoon, I think I'm going to give it a good clear out. I bought an apple crate to put on the wall for some of my yarn stash. So I need to go to B&Q and get some paint. I need to go to Wilko's and buy some other little bits, some baskets and stuff to sort my life out, because it is just, you know, when things get overwhelming, it's a bit like that. Anyway, I'm proper rambling today. I'm really sorry. So I'm gonna go. If you like this necklace, I'll leave the link to where I got it. It's Lana Boo's shop. She's amazing. She does brilliant stuff. And at the moment, all her pins are £5, so go and check it out. So I will love you and leave you, and I will speak to you soon. I'm gonna pop the video of my room on the end of this, so you can see what it looks like, and then I will do an after. So happy crocheting. I am freezing, and yeah, I'll speak to you all soon. Oh my god, I'm gonna yawn. So take care. Happy crocheting. Bye. So this is the current state of this room that is slowly turning into a dumping ground. There you go, Jenny's mandala on the wall, my threads, my present from Sam. It's just, do you like this cushion? I might write the pattern up for that. Because it's been Christmas and my other spare sewing machine was in there, I'd given it to my little sister. Then I got fabric, and it's just turned into a total dumping ground, including Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head that are up there, and a My Little Pony, and a Rainbow Bright. So this is what is, I'm going to put some new curtains, because these are so old. They're like really old IKEA ones. A disgusting manky lampshade. I love this mirror and I love the bunting, but I think I'm going to go to B&Q and get some paint and empty it. Me and Meg's going to empty it all out. Oh my god, look at my wall stash, it's terrible. And give it a good sort out and tidy. And I've also got an apple crate to put on the wall. So yeah, so this is the apple crate I bought that I'm going to put on the wall. So I got one made, I'll put the link to the site that made this, because I'd heard that sometimes if you buy like the ones from farms and stuff, they're like riddled with woolworm, and I didn't particularly want to bring that into my house. So I think it was about £25, and that included delivery. So I will pop a link up to the company that made it, but I don't know whether to paint the inside of it and leave the outside like this, so I might paint the inside. We shall see. So yeah, this is me shaming myself on the internet over the state of this room. If anyone's got any ideas, please do let me know on what to do with it, because it is, like I said, driving me nuts. But I think I'm going to go for like a blush rose on the wall, and then I've got wood here. I think I'm going to do that white. I don't know, white or grey. I don't know. Anyway, let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy crocheting.